Hi you guys, welcome to another vlog video. Welcome to my channel, welcome back, bienvenidos, all of that. I just finished filming another video. Actually, I did chit chat get ready with me. Pretty sure that video is up already. Today we are decluttering, getting rid of stuff, throwing stuff away I don't use or need or that's expired, donating stuff, all of that. I have stuff all over this room that I really look. My mess from filming that I need to clean up. I'm not gonna need this table anymore, thank goodness. This is the table I use. It's like literally a foldable table. It's what I use when I film, but since I'll have an office space now, I'll have a separate desk, which is really exciting. So yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be doing in today's vlog. I did do my makeup on camera. That's the video that I just finished filming. So if you're interested in seeing a makeup look on this and seeing how I had like my Beyonce ponytail going on, I'll link that video up here and in the description box in case you guys want to watch it after this video. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed, of course, if you aren't already. If you want to keep up with my mess, if you want to keep up with the moving process and just getting my life together. As much as I'm dreading having to go through all of my stuff, it actually makes me really excited because I know once I finish, I will really only have the stuff that I want and that I need. For example, this stuff right here, I showed you guys I had in this box because I don't have anywhere to put it. I don't have my own bathroom here, so I'd rather just have all of my skincare, body care, all of that, hair care in here and in this box. I just never ended up buying a drawer for this side or a closet. I just found that there was no point since I already knew that we were planning on moving soon. Let me set you guys down somewhere before I even start this. I know for sure I'm not gonna get a lot of this done today. Is this camera zoomed in? Oh yeah, it is, no wonder. I know I'm not gonna get a lot of this done right now, but I'm thinking of going one section at a time. So maybe I'll start with, I don't know what I want to start with. Part of me wants to start with cleaning up that desk first. I think I probably should, because if I clean up this desk, I'll have my makeup put away. Yeah, I'll start with my makeup. I think that would probably be the smartest thing to do. So let's clean this up first.
But I'ma be down to get it with you, and if you keep it up, looking at you, I'm thinking you must be driven.
I've literally been cleaning for like 20-30 minutes and I'm already gonna take a break because Darius actually texted me and asked me if I wanted to go get some food, and I have not ate since this morning. So what I'm gonna do is go get some food. I pretty much cleaned up this entire area, which is good. You know, step one is kind of clearing up the space. That way when I get back, I can really go through my drawers, my clothes, I think I'm gonna go through my makeup first though and throw away stuff. Like I said, that's expired and stuff. But let's go get some food because your girl is hungry. I am actually, I can't lie. I was like, I'm not looking forward to this, but I really am. So on this top drawer, I usually do my eyebrow stuff. I have hair removal, my little razors. I have this that I got off of Amazon. This is also hair removal, so I'll put it in there. These are the things that I'm not going to keep here. This is old. All of these are pretty much just old products. Next up, we have some primers. Which is kind of overwhelming, not gonna lie. Okay, this drawer, I do have quite a bit that I am not going to use. I kind of want to move my brushes because that's a little distracting. All the ones that I actually pull out and use, I do have a few newer ones like that milk one. These are the ones I will not be keeping. We have some strobe cream, which I'm always like, oh yeah, I'm gonna use it, and I just don't. We have some of like the Fenty primer. Love the foundation, everything. I just don't gravitate too much towards the primers in general. I'm not like a huge, like I'll use some here and there. I had 2 of these, so there's no point in that. This one is the Radiance Bronze. I like the original right here. So this is the one I use. This one is oil free, which is perfect for me. So the Radiance Bronze, I'm just gonna give that one away. We have Prep and Prime, and yeah, so those are the primers I am going to be giving away. This one too, I had 2 of them. Let's move on to foundations, which is gonna be really hard. I have the packaging still of my Pat McGrath one, and I have a different shade. This one is a little bit lighter than the other one, so I'm keeping that in case my skin gets a little bit more fair for the winter. I haven't tried this foundation here. Let me just go through this real quick. Don't really use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi as much. I do like the regular one. Of course, I'm keeping Fenty. Okay, this one I have to because it's old, but it is nice coverage. The Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. There's a regular and there's an illuminating. I have oily skin, so I do not need the illuminating. I have 3 in this. 3. Pretty sure it's olive or bamboo, but I'll keep these 2. I'm gonna get rid of the shade Fawn. Don't know why I have that many. Infallible Pro Glow. I'll keep this one. Don't really use this one from Makeup Revolution. I have 2 shades. Baklava doesn't really work on me anymore. Should I keep both? I'll just keep both of these. Not gonna organize too much, but that is what I'm gonna go ahead and keep. So we have some Fenty, we have Clinique, NYX, L'Oreal, Cover FX, more L'Oreal, Lancome, Huda Beauty, Hourglass, MAC, Laura Mercier. We still have a good little variety. Oh, that's some of these in there. Okay, and then concealers, I definitely need to go through Laura Mercier. This is such a good concealer, but I have too many shades. I have 3C, 3N, and 3W. I do not need all 3 shades. My shade in this one is either 3W or 3N, so I will keep these 2. This makes a lot more sense. I also don't need 2 of the Instant Age ones. That makes sense. Powders, I can narrow down to for sure. I have this Laura Mercier Translucent Powder Glow. So this has more of an illuminating factor to it. And I just like the OG regular one. I have a few Pat McGrath ones here. which is fine. I need to go return my Fenty one because I didn't like the shade. So let me take it out so I can go do that. Don't really use the Makeup Forever matte one. This one is matte, and I actually got this one thinking that it was the regular one, and I used it for a while and I did like it, but I haven't touched it since, and the Model's Own one I haven't either. Bronzers. Okay, I have 2 of these L'Oreal True Match ones. I only need 1. I'm gonna keep the shade C6 and get rid of, oh, I have 2 C6. I thought there were different colors this entire time, so good thing we're going through this. These 2 are good. I just don't really grab them too much, and this one is old. I think I got this one when I was working at Sephora. Don't have much on this top drawer. Lashes, let's go through these. These were actually given to me at my meetup, and I can finally try them because at the time, and for a while now actually, I've had eyelash extensions. One of my girls that went to my meetup, this is her line. First of all, this case though is so pretty. Of course, I'm gonna keep my Baddie B lashes, my Esquito lashes. I need re-up on a lot of eyelashes. I'm gonna go through my clothes. I'm gonna go through my closets, my drawers. It's pretty much empty. I'm also gonna get new makeup storage once we do move and settle in for a little bit. I'll probably take those for now, but you probably were able to see that there's like stuff from when I moved. We taped the drawers together. There's like leftover tape. They're all dirty and like ugly and nasty. So I gotta get rid of those, start fresh with that. But for now, I'm just gonna keep them stored in there. These drawers are really not it. They're not it. This is literally how I've had to have the drawer because it will not close. It's broken, it's messed up, but I don't have anywhere else to put my jeans. So that's my current status with that. So far, that's a little bit better. This is all stuff that I'm donating. Of trash that is completely full. Organized all of this. I'm thinking of just starting to pile boxes maybe on that side or this side of things that I'm not really going to be using too much, but I don't want to fully put away. We're making some progress, okay? It's already like 11 o'clock, so I'm going to go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, which for you will be in a few seconds. It's the next morning, and I just finished up, and I have 4 bags full of stuff. My cousin's actually going to come pick them up right now because she's around my size. So she's going to go through it, and then the rest she's going to give to my aunt, which she usually goes through and donates some stuff whenever they take a trip to Mexico. She likes to take stuff over there too because they always appreciate like anything that gets sent over. So that's always really nice. I still have 2 bags outside too, by the way. Still have this to deal with. These are hangers that I use for my try-on hauls, so I just have to put that in a box. The home decor stuff too, I can put in a box, like a moving box, because I'll be using this at the new place, but I won't really need it here. Along with this stuff, and then like a few more home things that I don't really need right now. Here's a look at my closets. I still have to color code everything, like put it in order, like all the black stuff, all the, like, you know, I like to have my stuff in color order, that way it's easy for me to find. This is a mix of like dresses, rompers, and then right here it's like jackets, and then up here I have more jackets. These are already kind of in order of color, but jackets nice and cleared out. Look at all the hangers I have left. And then you guys got to see this side yesterday, or in the last clip. Oh, it feels so good to have it emptied out. Boom. And then I have hangers right here too. My mom just took like another 30 or 40 hangers out of my hands, and we are nice and organized. Thank goodness. I am done with my closets. I am done with cleaning everything out. My cousin already took the bags of clothes. My car is full, so I can go ahead and take it tomorrow to donate everything. I am done, and it is barely 2:38 on a Sunday, so I have the rest of the afternoon and the evening to literally just chill. I'm caught up on my emails. I'm caught up on editing. I'm caught up on everything, which is very rare, but it feels good. But I think I'm gonna end off this vlog here. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me clean and kind of organize and get rid of stuff, and hopefully it inspires you to do the same, because a lot of you guys know the feeling of decluttering and getting rid of stuff. It feels really good after. Stay tuned for a lot more moving and packing and cleaning and decluttering stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, of course give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. All you have to do is click this little icon right here and you can subscribe there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.